Today's video is nothing serious, it's just us doing a little service on the VS. As you see, my driveway is pretty ridiculous, so I have to take the tow bar off as it's been damaging the driveway pretty intensely. So all I'm doing here is getting to the bolts that hold it on. There was way too many of them, there was like 10 of them, ridiculous amount. Ended up having to take the rear bar off to get to the back of the tow bar to where some bolts were, but I just unclipped the back of it a bit as a few of them wouldn't, the rubber screws on the back didn't want to come out, so unclipping it gave me enough space. See, there you go, that's what a lot of those rubber screws turned out. They just hogged themselves out, you couldn't undo them. So yeah, that's the car in pieces. So one thing I wasn't super keen on was my red pod filter, but I managed to find a original V8 airbox, which is really good. So I fitted that up. It looks a lot better than the old pod filter, and it doesn't make that horrible sucking noise either. I just had to move a few things out of the way.
Why is it unlifted? When I jack the middle, it lifts the front, but then I jack the front, it lifts the back. Interesting bits, how about that?
Yeah.
That's what. Why you lifting the jack? That's right. I can curl a super cheap auto, 1800 kilo jack.
You can curl 1800 kilos.
I know.
Fuck.
Okay, here we go.
Smells like heat.
It's not rusty. No, I won't keep that in there.
It's alright. I thought you were getting rid of all the audio.
No, some of it will be left. Oh,
What?
they're like loose as shit.
Loose as a goose!
Shut up, kid.
Just trying to keep it entertaining for all the viewers. We're actually live right now.
All three. All three people that watch me. Oh, yay.
Now that is fucking creamy.
Oh, I broke the gasket. Smells good.
Look at you. All on the ground. Nowhere to go.
Looks pretty good. Heavy. This is probably why they use the small filters
Yep.
on the VS's.
Oh. Did that get all over you?
No,
Okay.
it's pretty heavy.
Z30. Just look where your exhaust ends, Jesus. Illegal.
Where do you see like 50 shades of grey? 50 shades of my bearings.
Just the whole bearing comes out.
That looks real nice.
2JZ Commodore episode 6 intercooler. The Skid Factory just uploaded, Joe. What's the time?
Whoa, is that a brand new Z30? You want to try and get as much oil and grit into your filter to start off with. It's called getting ahead before the engine fails. Give it a bit of oil around the O-ring. That would be annoying to watch. Pouring skills. Fuck.
Perfect.
Not at all.
What?
I spilled it.
Oh, it's alright, Joe. It's only oil.